Hello, boys and girls. For this fluency activity, you are going to be doing subtraction with cards. You are going to have one baggie of cards for you and your partner. On the cards, there are numbers 0 up to 10. So first, you're going to spread out all the cards in between you and your partner, face down, so you do not see any of the numbers. Each partner is going to have a turn, and you're going to turn over 2 cards at a time. After you have flipped over the 2 cards, you're going to subtract your smaller number from your larger number. Your partner is going to do the same thing. They are going to flip over 2 cards, and then they are going to subtract their smaller number from their larger one. After you have both figured out what it equals, what is the difference, the partner with the smallest difference keeps all the cards that were flipped over. If both of you had the same difference, or your differences are equal, the cards are set to the side, and the winner of the next round gets to keep all the cards from this round and the next round. You are going to play it until all the cards have been flipped over, and then you're going to reset it and play it one more time. So again, you're going to flip over 2 cards. You're going to subtract your smaller number from your larger one, and whoever has the smallest difference keeps the cards. Once we have flipped over all the cards and all the cards are gone, and we've done that 2 times, you are done with the fluency activity.